YouTube, it's your guy, not your average trucker, back at it with another video, coming to you on a Friday. It's the day before my birthday, man. My birthday is tomorrow. Today's January the 8th. My birthday is the 9th, man. Shout out to all the January babies out here, man. I don't really do the zodiac thing. I think I'm a Capricorn. Shout out to the Capricorns. Real quick video, man. Was in a situation the other day. One of my trucks, it's a new dude that I got. Anyway, long story short, it was cold as hell outside. It was like 17 degrees. And you know, drivers are supposed to pre-trip and post-trip the trucks. A lot of local guys, man, they just cut that sucker off, park, go to the crib. You understand? When you're home every day, you don't really worry about it as much. But needless to say, it was a situation where it was 17 degrees, and it was like 2 in the morning. He was about to do an Amazon run, and his brakes was locked up on the tractor somehow, man. So I suggest all you guys out here, you know, a lot of y'all vets, y'all know this, you know, several brands that keep you some of this on deck, man. Air brake, Antifreeze, you understand? It's this one. This one's like $6. There's another brand. I got it in the back that I could put on a video later. That one's like $7, but they pretty much do the same thing. A lot of old school guys, they tell you to just go grab some alcohol, because as you can see right there, that's pretty much all it really is. But you know what you do is, you know, it's cold as hell outside, and I get it, man. I know you know, you want to drain your tanks every night when you park, but like you say, man, a lot of guys don't bother doing that. And also, some of this stuff, it says don't use it if you have an air dryer, all that blase blah. But for the most part, man, you pour some of that, just a little bit, man. It could be a cap full in your airline, your glad hand, you know, your red one, your blue one. Put them together, push the brakes in, and then, you know, about 5 minutes, you know, your shit should, excuse my language, but your brakes normally free up, man. Normally it happens on a trailer instead of a tractor. It was like the first time in a million years that I could recall it actually happening on one of my tractors, man. So, but anyway, dude called me, and I keep a bottle of it, either this bottle or the black bottle, but all of this stuff in all my trucks, all of them. But he didn't have one, or didn't know what I was talking about, so I had to take the time to, mind you, it's 2 in the morning. He lives about an hour away from the Amazon, but luckily his shift didn't start till 4. He just one of those guys that's always dumb early. So, you know, I had to jump in my car, drive to the yard, and, you know, assist them, man. So I just figured I'd put a friendly PSA out here. A lot of guys that's traveling in cold weathers, you probably know this already, but for the rookies and for the guys that don't know what to do, you know, it's a lot of people that waste time calling roadside, getting somebody out there to try to you know, free their brakes up. They have no idea what to do. So, you know, friendly PSA, man, keep you some air brake Antifreeze in your truck in the wintertime, unless you like my man Trucker Style Sean and you down there in Miami, man, you know, because everybody know it gets really cold in Miami, you understand? Y'all be safe out there one time for your money. And like I said, man, this stuff right here is only $6. They all work. There's another brand that I get, I can't even think of it right now. Yeah, I could look it up. It's another brand I buy. It's a black bottle that costs a little more. It's like maybe 50 cents more or something like that. Let's see here if I got it. I probably don't got it, man. A picture of it at least. I got a bottle in the side box of this truck, but you know, I'm not about to pause this video just to get out of the truck. Here we go. It's by CRG. That's why you take pictures of everything. You see what I'm saying? I take pictures of everything. You type that sucker in your Googles, and you know, Google look out for you. It's actually kind of spooky too, though, because that mean all I typed in was antifreeze, and my phone is showing me all the pictures of antifreeze that I got in my phone. So, you know, y'all watch what y'all doing, man. The AI out here is real. But it's your guy, not your average trucker, man. I'll probably drop another video tomorrow on my birthday, because I ain't gonna be doing it. Shout out to quarantine life. Y'all be easy, you heard?